Hello guys, my name is GT Bayonon. I'm going to teach you how to download and install VirtualBox from the trusted source. So let's go to our browser, and I will be using Chrome, Google Chrome, and then we'll try to find VirtualBox download trusted uh, VirtualBox download. Alright, as you can see, there are some download pages like TextPack, FileHippo, but VirtualBox is based on Oracle, so we'll be uh, picking this one because this is the trusted one, right? And as you can see, VirtualBox, download VirtualBox. Here, at this moment, I am using a Windows machine, so I will be clicking this one, Windows host. Then, yeah, so we'll just wait until the download is finished downloading the VirtualBox. Right. So after the download has finished, since the download path is in my downloads folder, also here is the VirtualBox. And now we are going to install this one by right clicking and then um, run as administrator. I'll just wait. Right. Just click yes button. Still, this software is has a wizard, and as we all know, wizard is as easy as it gets. Just click next, and yeah, see program files Oracle, then VirtualBox, or else you can try your own path to where to you install the VirtualBox. Version 6.1 and 18 is the latest version according to the website, Oracle website. Just click next. Yeah, we will check this one and then shortcut this tab. Shortcut to quick launch bar. It's up to you where you want to make some shortcuts. So at this moment, I will be clicking this one. Register file association so that file types me. And then warning network interfaces. Installing the Oracle, yeah, networking feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. Proceed with the installation? Yes, of course. So after we install this one, we are disconnected to the network where we are with install. It takes some time according based on your computer specification. If you have a faster processor, it takes just about less than 5 minutes. So my machine is just Core i3 6th generation. So perhaps it may take quite some time. Just bear with me. Alright, so always trust this software from Oracle Corporation. Just click so that we agree to the device software installation. Just click install. Alright, so now we are done with the installation. We can start the Oracle Virtual Manager VirtualBox Win 1.18 after installation. Otherwise, we uncheck this one, or else just click. So we just leave it as is. Finish, so that we will know how VirtualBox works. Also, now we are finished with the installation and a successful installation about the Oracle Virtual VM Virtual Box Manager. Right, so this is its IDE. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next tutorial. Bye.